Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block unknown numbers call on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, blocking unknown numbers call can help prevent potential scam from reaching you. Scammers often use spoof or unknown numbers to trick individuals into providing personal information or financial details. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open dialing app on your device. Okay, so here tap on three dots at the corner, and then you can select settings option. Well, after that, tap on block numbers, and turn it on like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to block unknown numbers call on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.